Hey guys, this is Ankit and today I have a one-handed mechanical gaming keyboard to show you guys. This is a mechanical gaming keyboard and yeah, it comes at a very good price. So with that said, let's begin. The Redragon K585 comes in this sort of packaging. On the front you get to see a glimpse of the keyboard and which switch type it is. I purchased the variant with brown switches, but it is also available with blue switches. On turning the box, you get to see some highlighted features of the product, which I will be discussing in the later part. So now let's unbox it. I was about to unbox this, but something caught my eye. What is this? I don't want to unbox it. Tada, khatam, goodbye. Continuing with the unboxing, here's what you get inside the box. Your K585 keyboard, a USB Type-C to Type-A cable, a key puller and a switch puller, an instruction manual for you in case you stop watching my video and are more interested in going through the boring stuff, and lastly a bubble wrap in which you get 4 extra mechanical switches. Oh, and also a Redragon collectible sticker inside the manual. The Redragon K585 comes in this all charcoal black colored plastic body. On the top you get to see Redragon's branding in red color, and beside that you get to see 4 macro profile record keys. Apart from this macro profile record keys, this keyboard has 42 keys in total, including the G keys you are seeing on both sides. The keys have a big and bold font that screams out a gaming vibe. Now on both sides you get to see nothing, but on the top you get to see a Type-C port for connection and also a USB Type-A in case you want to connect your mouse to it, or a portable storage for easy access. At the bottom you get to see your wrist rest, which is all plastic, but the main thing about it is that it is a detachable one. It is a magnetic wrist rest, so you can remove it if you want to. Lastly, on the back side you get to see 4 skates on the keyboard and 1 on the wrist rest for a better grip and to prevent surface scratching as well. But you also get to see some wobble stabilizers, which are all made of plastic, which may scratch your table, I'm not sure. Coming to the cable, it is a good quality USB Type-C to Type-A braided cable. I don't know the length exactly, but I guess it is more than 1.5 meters. The Redragon K585 comes with Automu brown or blue switches as per your choice. The lifespan of Automu switches is around 50 million clicks. And you get 4 extra mechanical switches in case you face problem with any switch. It comes with full software support and it has onboard memory, so once you install the software and set up your settings, you can just uninstall the software if you need to. The keycaps are ABS double shot keycaps and are good for the price. It can record macros through software and also on the keyboard as well. And last but not the least, it comes with RGB. I have been using this keyboard for quite a long time now. It has been over 6 months and there are some really important things you should know. Starting off with the keyboard, the most hilarious thing, the oddly shaped spacebar and the 2 extra keys N and P beside Alt. At first I felt that this is the most bizarre keyboard design I can think of, but with time I felt that this design is actually very good and the 2 extra keys are very handy to have. Point to be noted, this takes a while to get used to it, but it works like charm once you get used to it. Next is the macro profile record keys and the Redragon branding. The macro profile record keys looks kinda cheap and ruins the overall look of this cool gaming keyboard. And the same goes for the Redragon logo. Since it is in red color, it only goes well with red colored setups. They could have printed it on the body just like they did it for the gaming on the wrist rest. After that, coming to the G keys. These G keys are completely customizable as per your need, and this comes in very handy since it has so many keys missing. I need to change the volume very frequently and check messages on Steam and Discord, so I customized it according to my needs. And here I have enter and here a media pause button to pause music while I am in a game or in a full screen app and I don't want to minimize it. So just like me, you can also customize it as per your needs. Lastly, you get a dedicated map key beside F4, which in my opinion is totally useless. Even with giant fingers you can't reach there without leaving the WASD keys. Oh, one more thing, don't use the keycap puller, it will scratch your keycaps. Use the switch puller instead, just like this. And although the wrist rest is made of plastic, it does its job of keeping your hand in correct position so that you don't suffer from wrist pain after long periods of gaming. Overall, the gaming experience is unexpectedly good. I said so because of the weird key layout. The Optimus switches are good for people who are on a budget and needs a one-handed mechanical gaming keyboard. And the mouse space you get with this is... Oh my god! Wow! Oops, never mind. The software experience is great. It has full support for the keyboard. From macros to customized shortcuts to media controls and RGB, it provides a very easy and interactive experience. Profile 1 is my saved profile, so I am showing on profile 2. Just click on the key you want to change and this menu will pop up. From here you will get every customizable thing you need. And all these will get saved in your onboard memory. To change between multiple profiles, you just click on the M buttons on the keyboard. No need to open the software. And for the RGB, you almost get full control over your RGB settings. You can choose from their preset effects and then you can choose it to be a multicolor or single color, or can also change the brightness and speed of the effect. And all these settings also get saved in the onboard memory. Here is how it sounds with the brown switches. The price of this keyboard is between 2800 to 3000 Indian rupees depending on which state and from where you buy. It is also available on Amazon and on Redragon's official site. Buy links are in the description, be sure to check them out. In my opinion, this is a very value for money product. You get tons of features and customization and you get 4 extra mechanical switches to get you covered. 100 keyboards from reputed brands comes with heavy pricing, and from other cheap brands you don't get this much seamless software experience. I will recommend you to buy this one if you are searching for a 100 mechanical gaming keyboard at this price, I mean on a budget, and this is a very useful product for people who are gaming on a laptop or are FPS gamers because it significantly improves the mouse space. And this is it guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and share this video, and if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. I will be catching you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out.